You guys, I am so excited. Hello everybody! What in the world is up? Welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan. My name is Rose, and today, as you can see, I am very excited because we are about to go and try something revolutionary. I have a big smile on my face. Today marks a very, very important day in vegan history. Today is the release of the Beyond Burger at A&W. We are going to a major fast food chain and picking up an all vegan burger patty type of burger. Okay, A&W, I believe, is a Canadian fast food chain. It is all over Canada, but I'm not sure if it's available in other countries. Let me know. They announced a few weeks ago that they will now be carrying the Beyond Burger in, I believe, all locations across Canada. And the Beyond Burger, if you did not know, is a revolutionary vegan burger patty that is created by a company called Beyond Meat, I believe. The reason why it's revolutionary is because it tastes very, very, very much like meat. The texture is very, very similar to meat. I believe it is enough to fool people, okay? I believe it is enough to fool people because I have tried this burger. Okay, even though I have not eaten meat in many, many years, I feel like I remember what meat tastes like. Okay, I do remember. And when I ate that Beyond Burger, I genuinely just felt, I am salivating, okay. I genuinely felt like it really replicated meat very well, but it also tasted very good. It wasn't just like, hi, I taste like meat. It was like, hi, I am tasty. Yes. The first time I tried it, I was in LA. And I was at Veggie Grill, and I tried it twice in LA, and I was completely blown away. It was probably the best vegan burger patty, like fake meat patty I've ever had. It was so good that I've just been waiting for it to come out in Canada. And they have released it in certain locations, but it's always been really tough to get. It's always been like very rare. There's been a scarcity of this product. Never has it been released in a fast food chain in Canada. It's very exciting. A lot of fast food chains don't even have a veggie burger at this point, okay? I don't think McDonald's has one. Burger King might have one, although I'm not sure if it's vegan friendly. Please let me know. But the Beyond Burger itself is very much vegan friendly, and I heard that at A&W all you have to do is ask for no mayo, then it will be completely vegan. Let me tell you guys, I am never on time for this kind of stuff. Like, I'm always like super behind trends, never up to date with anything. But with this, I'm like, girl, let me just get it on the first day it comes out because I am so excited, okay? You guys, I am so excited. And the reason why I'm so excited is not simply because I get to eat a Beyond Burger, which is very exciting, but the fact that it's so readily available at A&W locations across Canada. And I'm very much hoping that this will be a catalyst for other fast food chains to do something similar. For example, have more options for vegetarians and vegans because there just isn't enough, okay? So, A&W, you make me proud. Okay, let's go. Let's go and get a Beyond Burger. Okay, so I realized I literally never go to fast food restaurants anymore because there's just not anything I can eat other than like fries. So it's very rare that I will go to a fast food place. So I'm not sure if this is actually a good thing because maybe I'll just eat too many burgers now, but it's not good for the waistline, but good for veganism. So I'm almost at A&W. Let's pick up this burger, yo! Okay, they're also open 24 hours, so that's kind of dangerous because it's like 10-minute walk from my place. Can I walk in through here? How do I do this? Oh my god. So I even made it a combo because homegirl is not messing around today. We're gonna be doing a full-on mukbang. I got some Diet Coke, and I got fries and the Beyond Burger with no mayo, no cheese. And I asked them if they had gotten a lot of interest in the Beyond Burger, and they said they had a lot of people being very interested. They had people calling in. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna go home. We're gonna eat this.
A few moments later.
Woohoo! My friends, I'm so excited for this. We now have in my hands the Beyond Burger. Oh my gosh, can we just take a moment? No cheese, no mayo. People, look at this. Oh my god. I can already smell the goodness. It's gonna be amazing. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I also have some fries and ketchup, of course. This is Diet Coke, by the way. I don't drink root beer. Root beer is usually the famous A&W drink, but oh my god, guys, can we take a moment? This is a historical moment in my life. Before I dig into this burger, I'm going to do a little something, something. I have this vegan mayo here. So we're gonna add that because homegirl does not want to miss out on the mayo. I'm sure it'll be delicious without, but you know what? I had this on hand, so I'm like, okay, well, I'm just gonna add it here. Make sure you ask for it. No cheese, no mayo. Oh, you guys, here it is. The A&W Beyond Burger, my very first try, available across Canada. Just gonna try it. Oh my god. Honestly, it's so good. You cannot tell this is vegan. If I gave this to you, you would not be able to tell it's vegan. Okay? Oh my god. Whew. It really reminds me of a Whopper from Burger King. I don't know if you guys have had that before. That was like probably my favorite burger before I went vegan. It has that very similar taste. Oh my god. Like, even if you're not vegan, I really strongly urge you to go to A&W and try this. Because I guarantee you, you will be amazed. Oh my god. I need to Instagram story this. Alright, I'm in the middle of my YouTube taste test. There are no words. Seriously. There are no words. Alright. Oh my god, this is so good. So there's lettuce, tomato, red onion, pickles, you know, the standard burger fillings, ketchup, mustard. I added my vegan mayo. Now, the other fast food restaurants should get on board. It's genuinely so good. Now, I'm not sure if it's healthy, okay? Obviously, it's not the healthiest thing you can eat. Obviously, you shouldn't have it every day. But it's nice to know. Now, if I'm traveling around Canada And if I want to have a quick meal at A&W, I can do it, you know? And I'm so excited for this. I can't wait to see what the future holds for veganism, because this is so good. You guys, even if you're not vegan, please try this burger. My roommate's puppy is moving around his kennel. I think he wants the Beyond Burger. Whew, seriously though, even if you are a meat eater, there is nothing stopping you from trying this delicious burger. Okay? And if you can choose this burger that tastes like meat over real meat, you're still making a difference. Oh man. Whew, this is so good. I'm almost done. I'm full, but I want more. Alright guys, last bite. Beyond Burger, A&W. Oh my god. It's so good. I want more. Alright you guys, that is it for my A&W Beyond Burger taste test. This is my roommate's new puppy. His name is OG. And I think he hates the spotlight right now. He's like, please get me out of here. I should probably take him out to pee, so I should let you guys go. That was delicious, and if you guys have an A&W around you, go and try one of these, okay? I promise this is not a sponsored video. Please sponsor me, Beyond Burger or A&W. One of you, please sponsor me. That would be great, because I will endorse the crap out of this. I would love for other fast food chains to follow the footsteps of A&W and introduce something like the Beyond Burger to their collection, so that people like me can enjoy fast food once in a while, you know. This is probably not very good for my waistline, you know. Goodbye, summer body. But you know what? It's good for the soul, so it's good for the body, you know. So don't eat this stuff all the time. Just have it once in a while. You know what I'm saying? If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Say bye, OG. Say bye. Bye! Bye-bye. Let's go pee.